Seattle, a city framed by mountains, stitched together by bridges, and carried forward by ambition. Rent here isn't just a monthly cost, it's a filter. It decides where you live, how far you commute, and what kind of life you lead. So today we're doing something different. We've chosen 12 iconic Seattle neighborhoods and we're ranking them, from the most expensive to the most affordable. If you've ever wondered where your rent really lands in this city's hierarchy, this is the guide you've been waiting for. And before we start, hit that subscribe button, because understanding your city starts with understanding your money. Topping our list at number 1, the Central Business District. Downtown Seattle is the financial heartbeat of the city, pulsing with glass towers, high-end dining, and power suits. Living here costs a premium, about $3.1 thousand a month for a one-bedroom. But you're steps from everything. If you're chasing convenience and career momentum, this is ground zero. Coming in at number 2, Belltown. Nestled between downtown and the waterfront, it's where nightlife, luxury condos, and city views converge. A one-bedroom will run you about $2.8 thousand a month. You're paying for buzz, access, and that perfect sunset over the sound. Third on our list is South Lake Union. This is Seattle's innovation core, home to Amazon, biotech giants, and futuristic high-rises. Rent hovers around $2.7 thousand. It's modern, dense, and built for the work-hard, live-fast crowd. Sliding into the 4th spot, Green Lake, a breath of calm in a frantic city. Tree-lined trails wrap around the lake, neighbors smile, and paddleboards float by. Here, rent runs at around $2.5 thousand a month. It's your chance to have peace without leaving the city. Number 5 is Pioneer Square, Seattle's oldest soul. Cobblestone streets meet trendy lofts and exposed brick. It's historic, artistic, and full of character. Renting here costs around $2.4 thousand a month, a place where the past meets the present. Taking 6th place, East Queen Anne, high up, quiet, and full of charm. With skyline views and stately homes, this neighborhood offers space and scenery. Rent, around $2.4 thousand, ideal for those who want elegance without being in the thick of it. At number 7, Fremont steps in with flair. The art, the music, the eccentric sculptures, it's one of Seattle's most colorful spots. Expect to pay roughly $2.4 thousand for a one-bedroom here. If personality matters more than polish, this is where you land. Wallingford claims the 8th spot. Residential and unpretentious, it's filled with craftsman homes and neighborhood cafes. One-bedrooms average around $1.8 thousand. It's a place where community still counts more than clout. 9th on the list, the International District. One of the most culturally rich corners of the city. You'll find some of the best food, historic storefronts, and unmatched transit access. Rent hovers around $1.7 thousand. It's a blend of affordability and vibrancy. At number 10, we land in the University District. UW students, late-night ramen, and streets that never seem to sleep. Here, rent floats around $1.6 to $1.9 thousand, but with smaller units and more competition. If you're okay with tight spaces and a young crowd, it's a strategic choice. Taking the 11th spot, Finney Ridge. It's calm, connected, and quietly creative. Rent averages about $1.4 thousand a month. Perfect for those who want to disappear into a slower rhythm without leaving the city. And rounding out our list at number 12, South Delridge. No fancy skyline views, no new developments. But here's the thing, rent averages just $1.3 thousand. It's one of the last pockets in Seattle where your dollar still stretches. A quiet neighborhood for people who simply want to make it work. Let's recap. Seattle's premium neighborhoods, Downtown, Belltown, and South Lake Union, cost you $2.7 to $3.1 thousand a month, offering unbeatable access but eating a big chunk of income. Mid-tier areas like Queen Anne, Fremont, and Green Lake strike a balance between charm and convenience at prices between $2.4 and $2.5 thousand. On the more affordable end, Wallingford, the International District, Finney Ridge, and Delridge offer rents from $1.3 to $1.8 thousand, but come with trade-offs in space, transit, or amenities. Choosing the right neighborhood is more than crunching numbers. It's about lifestyle, value, and long-term sustainability. Rent isn't just a cost. It's a choice that shapes your time, community, and peace of mind. So what's happening with rent in these neighborhoods? Rents in high-end zones like Downtown and South Lake Union are leveling off. Expensive, but no longer spiking. The real heat is in mid-tier spots like Fremont and Queen Anne, where renters are shifting for better value. Wallingford and the International District are tightening fast as they become affordability havens. Meanwhile, Delridge and Finney Ridge are seeing rising demand from renters priced out elsewhere.
This city isn't inflating, it's reshuffling.
Seattle is a place of contrasts, where every rent check is a decision between time and distance, between comfort and compromise. Whether you're drawn to the skyline or holding tight to affordability, one truth remains. Your rent doesn't just reflect where you live, it defines it. If this breakdown helped you see that a little more clearly, hit that subscribe button. Stay sharp, stay grounded, and take control of your financial story. This is the Money Manual. See you in the next one.